cold hand. Warm lie in the heather, gold ring rust red under snow. You said always, I said never leave me. They carved you out of my chest, dragged your name through the mud, through the altar. I stitched my own torn dress with the threads of every broken promise. Look what you made of me. Oh, made of me. Ash bright, black-eyed, teeth like prayer beads. Your pale ghost in my lungs. Ghost in my lungs. Breath taste of iron and scraped tongues. I was a girl once, soft and small. Now I watch my own shadow crawl. Look what you made of me. Look what you made of me. You came back with a borrowed smile, same hands, new vows for another. I bow like a good exile, let you drink me dry. Call it closure. Call it closure. Every touch a little love theft. You hid the bruises under pet nails. I burned as I had left, still you lit your cigarettes on my shade. Look what you made of me. Hey, made of me. Ash bright, black-eyed, teeth like prayer beads. Your pale ghost in my lungs. Ghost in my lungs. Breath taste of iron and scraped tongues. I was a girl once, soft and small. Now I watch my own shadow crawl. Look what you made of me. Look what you made of me. Nails bloom into obsidian, my ribs turn to a cage of thorns. Your last kiss still like opium as my voice splits into horns. Oh, I mold my skin in the river, hear the reeds whisper, monster, monster. But every face that watched me wither looks just like yours when I tear it asunder. Look what you made of me. Bright of me, ash bright, black-eyed, teeth